Hi, welcome to How to Trust a Best Step. We often think art belongs in a sketchbook or inside a frame. But what if our drawings could become part of our everyday life? Today, I am painting a simple floral design on a canvas pencil pouch. Every time you carry it, you are carrying a piece of your creativity with you. A pencil pouch is something we use almost every day. Instead of keeping it plain, why not make it unique? A few brushstrokes can turn an ordinary object into something personal and meaningful. I chose yellow flowers because they symbolize joy, hope, and fresh beginnings. Every time you reach for your pencils or pens, this little artwork can remind you to stay creative. As artists, we don't always have to create masterpieces. Sometimes the smallest projects bring the greatest happiness. A painted pouch, a bookmark, or a tote bag. These everyday items become tiny canvases that brighten our routine. Art becomes even more meaningful when it serves a purpose. It is not just something we look at, it is something we use, share, and enjoy every day. So, my dear art lovers, the next time you finish a sketch, ask yourself, can this artwork become part of my daily life? That is where creativity truly comes alive. Thank you for watching. Keep creating, keep learning, and let your art become a part of your everyday life. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel How to Draw Step by Step. Thank you.